Hey guys, I have a question. Wondering if anybody knows in particular what this tune is called. I've heard it somewhere on Sesame Street, and I was very curious if you knew what it was. So, see if you can help me figure this out. Ain't got the faintest idea about what it was called. I have no idea. If you want to hear the real recording of it, you can go to Sesame Street, Global Grover, and look up the episode regarding the chocolate factory in Argentina, and you'll hear it. It's definitely Spanish, I know that much. I have no idea. If somebody can let me know, that would be fantastic. Alright.